po.
How are you now? You seem, ano yan, parang may kinokontrol ng feelings, parang ano,
It's
uneasy.
true po that we're not together anymore. It's over.
Anong details na ang pwede mong ibigay? And how are you taking yung breakup?
To be honest po, ayoko po talagang magdetalye. I just wanna move on.
Okay.
Hindi po kami nag-uusap. It's not true that we are talking. Hindi po kami magkaibigan. Walang third party po. Basta ngayon, ano ba?
Eric,
Yun.
sino nakipag-break?
Like what I said, ayoko na sana magdetalye pa. I just really want to move on. I want to help myself. So that's what I'm doing po.
How are you helping yourself? Anong ginagawa mo now? To, alam mo yun, para makalimutan ko anong nangyaring to, or para maka-move on right away?
I think I just have to accept na may mga bagay po talaga na we cannot control. Yung mga nangyari po sa buhay natin, hindi natin kontrolado. So, life goes on.
Eric, may mga issue na lumalabas about money and all of these things. What can we say about this?
Tungkol sa pera, ayoko na pong magdetalye tungkol dyan. Like what I said, I just really want to move on.
Okay.
And, yun, hopefully, it's gonna get better.
Kumukuha ng ano, ng para maging strong.
Of course, nandyan po yung pamilya natin, yung mga kaibigan natin, yung mga supporters po natin. Thankful po ako dahil yung loyalty nila laging nandyan. At sila po rin yung isa sa mga nagbibigay ng lakas sa atin. At syempre po yung Diyos. Siya naman ang po talaga nakakaalam ng lahat.
Eric, sa social media, umiwas ka ba muna o everything goes on pa rin? Social media,
For a time po,
nagbabasa ka pa ba?
no, I don't really read any comments na. Syempre, I mean, people want to believe what they want to believe. And like what I said, kami lang naman po talaga nakakaalam ng totoo. And, but kailangan na po mag-post ngayon, so I have to turn on my comments, kay mga commitments. So, yun.
Pero Eric, you also deleted the photos on your Instagram.
Yes, I deleted the photos, I unfollowed them. And like what I said, I just want to help myself.
Okay.
What's the lesson that you learned from this?
Lesson siguro kapag nagmahal ka, kailangan magtira ka para sa sarili.
Eric, are you hoping na maayos mo siya eventually? Like, maging friends
Sa nararamdaman ko po ngayon, hindi pa. Yun lang. I don't want to say anything more, so na move on. Thank you very much po. I hope you understand.
Stay happy!
Thank you.